ground a breaking update of what we are learning. And this is now coming in with tune of the upcoming assembly elections that will be taking place in Haryana. We are learning that the Congress party has suffered another setback. This is two-time Congress MLA Jaytirath Dhaiya, who has now resigned from the party, alleging that tickets were sold by the party. Reports suggest that Dhaiya was also a close associate of Bhupinder Singh Hooda, and this is a big allegation that has now been leveled nearly 11 days just before the elections of Haryana that were to take place. Congress party already have been facing differences within. Let me straight away get in an update from Amandeep. Amandeep, good morning. Congress MLA has resigned. He is suggesting and in a way indicating that tickets are being distributed in a manner for money. Is it that the reason that he is given for his leaving the party?
Well, absolutely, Amita, very shocking statement. And in fact, and that person, Tirath Dhaiya, is a very close associate of Bhupinder Singh Hooda. And in fact, before the tickets distribution announcement of the tickets and the list were rolled out of the Congress party, Hooda has ensured him the ticket. And in fact, or as per his merit basis, just because he was earlier two-time MLA from Rai constituency. But all of a sudden, when his name did not appear in the list of the Congress party, he tried to investigate that why his name has been reduced despite getting the insurance from the Bhupinder Singh Hooda. And in fact, now he was so upset when he got to know that his ticket has been reduced just because in exchange of money, and tickets were being sold in the Congress party. This is the straight-away allegation. And in fact, he said that this actually tarnishing the image of the Congress party, and that is the reason he has filed his resignation to Congress Chief of Haryana, Uday Bhan. And in fact, he has also spread a message to his supporters not to support the Congress party.
But Amandeep, are there any allegations that have been leveled against Mr. Hooda himself? Because what Mr. Dhaiya has been suggesting, that there was corruption, there was some sort of bargaining that was taking place when tickets were being distributed.
Well, absolutely, absolutely. He did not name a specific person, but yes, he has put the allegations against the Congress party that tickets has been distributed in exchange of money. That means the corruption is straight away. There was no merit basis. And even earlier also, Amita, we have listened several kind of statements from the dissent voices of the Congress party, and even they have alleged several kind of allegations against the Congress party. Some were saying that it is the corruption. Some is saying that disrespect of the old leaders, senior leaders, and in fact,
so he's been a two-time MLA from the Rai constituency back in 2009 and 2014, and this time as well he had applied for a ticket for the same constituency. However, this is coming across as a setback to the Congress party, as when it comes to Jaytirath Dhaiya, who has announced that he is leaving the party, alleging that the tickets are being sold.
पिछले 10 साल मैं एमएलए रहा राई से, और ये भी लाजपत जी आपको पता है कि इस बार की उसमें मैं भी एक उम्मीदवार था, और मुझे जिस तरीके से जलील करके और पार्टी ने मुझे टिकट नहीं दिया, मैंने आज अपना त्याग पत्र उदय भान जी को भेज दिया। जिस तरीके से पैसों के उससे लेन देन हुआ है और पैसों के उससे टिकट बांटे गए, उससे मैं समझता हूं कि पार्टी की जो हवा थी उस पे काफी असर पड़ा है।
Well, that's a big allegation being leveled there by the former Congress party leader there in Haryana, as the party suffered another setback just before the elections. Amandeep, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a very short break.